even if we decide he's in the jail. Don't worry, sir. I have another professional hitman, PKR. Yes, sir. He's a professional killer, Roy. He's out on parole now. On every Sunday, he hangs out at Hotel Taj. Okay, sir. PKR. Mr. PKR?
Yes, PKR. But I am not the person. I am his assistant, Bruno. Gambling is happening inside. And who are you?
I need to meet PKR.
Okay. Hands up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 50 paise less. Who took that away from me? I'm getting only 50 paise. At least give it back to me.
Boss, someone has came to see you.
Okay. Go. You're lucky that I don't have bullets inside this.
But there are bullets inside, no, boss?
That is for emergency.
Okay, fine. Yes, come on.
I've come here because someone important is missing. You have to find him and you have to bring him to us safely.
Bloody fool! Have you come to PKR to get a small problem like this solved? How will I face the world after this, huh?
1 lakh rupees. You bring him to us and I'll give you 4 lakhs. In total, 5 lakhs.
We will get the person for
You
you.
need his photograph?
No, not necessary, mister. We'll find him by taking all the list of the missing people in Kerala. And from those people, you can sell as you wish, okay?
Mr. Bruno, come closer. Don't talk like a stupid, you idiot. This will take a lot of time.
Oh, is it?
By the by, give me the photos.
Really handsome.
I will surely get this man.
This is my sir's contact number. He'll call you directly.
Oh, no problem.
You need any more details?
No. We never used to collect details. Photo is much enough for us.
Okay.
Bye.
Mr. Bruno, again come closer to me.
Yes?
You bloody donkey. Without details, how are you going to find this person?
I just told with an excitement.
Oh, okay. Then leave it. You get our most modern tools and the key of the vehicle.
Okay, boss.
And then go to Ramachandran's shop and get 4 parathas and some beef curry and come.
Then for me, boss?
For you, 1 cup of tea and 1 banana.
Thank you.
Okay.
After my heavy lunch.
I have not eaten food properly in how many days? Till we find this person. Bye to Hotel Taj.
Because of the strike here, the work has stopped in our village. This is a very serious matter. I think the most responsible person to talk about this would be none other than our favorite and the most lovable person in this village. I'm talking about Mr. Suresh. I welcome him to the stage. Please give him a round of applause.
My dear friends, when you hear our country's name, there should be a lot of pride in our heart. When you hear the name Kerala, your blood should boil inside your veins. This was not written by me. Why is the government not ready to open at least 1 liquor shop in our village? What is the problem? So, my dear brothers, you all have to understand. People standing in a line outside a ration shop also fight. People standing in queue to get a cinema ticket fight. But at the same time, people from different religions standing outside the liquor shop to buy liquor, you can never see them fight. And they always live in brotherhood. We should always... 1 minute. Sorry. Just because it is necessary for me to attend 1 more meeting like this, I have to leave now. Hey, come here. Are they going to sacrifice you for God today? Come on, talk, man.
My dear friends,
Since bar was closed today, I got it in black.
Now did you understand the importance of my strike? The quantity is a little less here.
Let it be there. There is one problem, Suresh.
What is that?
Dasapan is coming here.
Eh? Oh no.
Oh my God! Get away!
We all should fight back.
Shall I stitch and give you a blouse?
Useless fellow. Oh my gosh!
Oh my God, he's here!
Oh my gosh! Let's go inside. Let's go. Oh my gosh! Why they are doing? Oh my God! All rude fellows. Why they are doing like this? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Thank God I escaped from him.
If you're a gentleman, don't hit me again. Hey Shivankuti, I told you many times, don't come this way when you're riding your bike. Other than this road, where do I have a place to learn how to ride a motorbike? The victims of your bike riding are these people here. See, look at them, poor people.
Don't leave him, give him nicely.
Only less people have got hurt. I expected much more. Hello? Today, no damage has happened, right? All their hospital expenses are taken by the village. Do you know that? I'm so happy. What a wonderful unity in our group. You can save some more money. Next week, I will definitely learn how to ride a motorbike. Gun?
I'm not scared. I'm not scared of anything. You get on my nerves all the time. You're misbehaving with the people here. This guy's useless. He's good for nothing. I really wish this moron was in the army. You could have at least sacrificed your life for the country.
This man has gone crazy.
You don't have a single rupee in your pocket, but you have debts everywhere. The most funniest thing is that this guy and his father want to rule this place.
Excuse me, if you have any problem with my father, you have to speak and solve it yourself.
No way. I won't spare your life.
Hey, after all, he's your sister's son. Leave him.
No, leave me. I'll kill him today.
Hey!
To kill whom you brought this iron rod, huh?
No, this is not an iron rod. This is bike crash card.
When I was riding the bike, it had fallen down.
Brother!
I got scared.
Brother! Someone is hitting Suresh sir there.
Who's hitting him?
That blade Dasapan. Himself and Suresh sir is coming now.
Are they both coming this side or are they coming that way? Tell me.
This way.
This way? Okay, I'll see to it. Give me some way.
Oh, you stupid kid. You should have told him that they were coming from this direction. If he would have gone this way, he would have got into trouble.
Anyway, he'll get nicely. They are coming in this way only and not that way.
Oh, you smart kid. You deserve to be in the army.
Not just Dasapan. I'm Blade Dasapan. Now tell me, where is Shivankuti?
I'm not telling because I'm his uncle. But he's surely not at home. For the past 3 days, he's gone to another uncle's house in a different village. This is the truth. I swear on my children.
But you're not married, right?
Everybody says like that, but that's the truth, no? Nowadays, this Suresh never says a lie. But now, unnecessarily, why do we have to go to his house? Isn't it so?
No.
Either you stand on his side, or you stand on my side. He's your owner, right?
Yeah. To which team I have to support, sir?
These guys seem to be good for nothing. Ask them to go somewhere else and
Just
stand.
stand aside, both of you. To be feeding these people, I should be blamed. By the way, if I can't find him, that's okay. Just give me my money. The property papers of your house are with me. You know that, right? Come, let's walk.
See, let me tell you something. Till the time he comes from the other village,
Uncle?
Dasapan? Isn't that Shivankuti? He also agrees to it. He is on his way back from the other village. This is a shortcut. How's your uncle in that village?
Yeah, he's very fine.
Has Sudhir come from Bombay?
Who's that?
Your dad.
Actually, I heard that you're coming to see me at my house directly. I thought you should not strain yourself so that I can come and meet you here itself.
From your uncle's house, huh?
From my uncle's house.
That's good anyways.
Yeah, that is also nice. Are you sure that you wanted to meet him?
No, that vegetable vendor's son told me a lie, so I came this way.
Don't you know that that boy always keeps saying lies? Why did you listen to him and come here?
I didn't know that, but now I've understood about that boy. Stupid fellow.
That's it, enough. Stop murmuring, you two. When will you give me my money?
See, the money that he has to give you has to come from somewhere else. So we'll move from this place, stand on some side and talk. Okay?
Boss, should we come along?
Come, you imbeciles!
Are these people your gundas?
Yes.
Ask them to take a bath at least every day.
Brutally.
Looks like you want to get your sister married to it. But the vehicle is in a very good condition.
For too long you have been talking about this vehicle and fooling me. Did I ask you to buy this truck?
My dear Dasappa, just because this vehicle is not running, that's why my rolling money is not coming back to me. When we were smuggling mud from one place to the other, the police has charged a case on this vehicle. That is why even I'm not able to sell this vehicle.
I don't have to know anything of that, Suresh. It has been 3 years. I need my money.
Keep this. 5,000 rupees. You can reduce it from the actual amount.
Not from the actual amount. I'll deduct it from the interest. It is better to get something than nothing.
Correct.
Oh, come you fool.
What for you saying? Come.
I'll let you go only for boss. If not, I would have killed you.
You are the only reason why I am not able to walk with all my pride in this village. Every day I have a problem. Every day you're trying to do this. Why are you doing this to me?
You see, till this date I've called you only as my uncle. Don't make me to call something else. You know, you are the man responsible for me to take this vehicle.
Yeah, you can say all this. All these days I have not even got married only for you. Do you know that?
You did not get any girl to marry.
That is also a reason. Listen, whatever you told is made me feel bad. Now you have some money, no? Give me some money to buy at least one bottle of alcohol.
Always begging.
Yeah.
Yeah, let it be like that. You will not understand my problems. I had pledged my sister's bangle to get some money. Now Dasapan has taken that.
Look, that is not a big issue. Do you know that Mahatma Gandhi has taken his sister's jewels, sold them and only then bought cigarette and tea? Have you learned that in school?
I haven't read.
Okay. Do you know what Mahatma Gandhi told to his sister in Hindi?
What?
तुम्हारे हाथ में कंगन है, कंगन काट के दो, उसमें पैसा मिलेगा, बीड़ी पीना चाहिए. Now when she asks the bangles, what will you do?
I have an idea. I will give this.
This one?
Roll gold.
Comparing you, Gandhiji was nothing, man. Then, I forgot to tell you something. The owner of this bangle, that is your sister and her husband, are coming back today night.
Oh my God. I promised my sister that this time definitely I'll return back the bangle to her.
But you can give this instead of that, no?
Yeah, you're right.
Dad, no use of advising him and giving suggestions. He'll never be right and gonna rectify his mistakes. See, we are unable to face the people and society. Everywhere we have debts. When he stops his mischievousness and the devil thought come out of his mind, then only he'll get corrected.
Actually, what are you talking about?
There is a guy, right, who has not been married from past 15 years and still living as a bachelor. Your brother, Pegasura, her uncle. Enough.
That fellow. I've told him before that if he comes near my house, I will break his legs.
That is actually good, huh? Because they'll not meet each other, right? And if I enter this house, he never turn up to this house. Anyway, I'll meet them personally, huh?
Listen me. All are saying that you only send the people to the wine shop for the strike.
That is a necessity of this village, my dear. It's not viable to go to the town just for a bottle. Is it not?
Shivan Kuti is giving the money by getting credit from others now. What?
Nalini?
Coming. Dear, did you listen what she told? Actually, she's blaming you for everything.
His time is not good now. According to his horoscope, he's running a really bad time. Even though it is struggle now. Just see, for 6 months, he'll be doing really well. You'll see for yourself.
This time I'll win the lottery. Come on, keep the money and give me the balance.
I don't have change, Shivakuti. Can you take this magazine?
I don't want any book. I just want the balance alone.
Don't tell like that. It'll be useful for you.
I will take this biscuit packet for me. I can avoid my lunch and save some money. Come on, take it.
Hey, don't give biscuits to the
Just
dog.
shut up, okay? Giving biscuits to dog is a very good habit. Come on,
Shivakuti,
have it.
I'm warning you, don't give biscuits to the dog. I told you to not give biscuits
Why
to the
don't
dog.
you keep your mouth shut?
Shivakuti.
I'm always fond of dogs. Eat, my dear. I think this is enough for you today. Let me have the balance. Okay, see you.
Why is he barking at me?
I warned you in the beginning itself, right, that not to give biscuits to the dog. Once you give, you have to continuously give him biscuits. Else not, you cannot even move from here. And it will bite and tear you out. See, that was a person. Before you were coming, no? He was giving biscuits to the dog.
Is it?
And at last his pocket got empty and he was waiting for you, someone to come. And I think it's now your turn. Give.
Bro, you could have told me
You
before.
didn't even give me time to explain, na? Anyway, do one thing. Continuously start giving the biscuits.
Don't you have work at home? You're not a normal breed. You belong to a dinosaur breed. You bloody son of a bitch.
Hey, look, Shivankuti.
Stop the jeep.
Oh my god, my next problem.
Here you are. I've been looking for you all over. Instead of paying me, you're feeding biscuits to this damn dog. Is it not? Give me my money.
I
Give
don't
me
have the
this
complete
biscuit
money.
first. I will eat.
Just give me 2 minutes time. The cash is inside my vehicle.
Go get it.
Okay. Oh, God save me from 2 dogs.
What breed is this dog?
Best breed it is.
Eat, eat. Come fast.
Hey, if you're brave enough, come near me.
Hey. God damn it. Will it bite?
If you continuously give him biscuits, he will not bite. If you have a plan to run away, no, he will bite you and just tear you off.
So what do we do?
It has to sleep.
When will he sleep?
During Shivaratri.
When is Shivratri?
Just 2 weeks ago it got over, na? And next 1 more year it takes.
A brandy shop has opened in our village! A brandy shop has opened in our village!
Yes, this is PKR. Professional killer Ronnie. By the way, who are you?
My name is Mahendra. My person gave you some work. You found him?
The first stage of our operation has been completed successfully. We have found this person.
Very good. He shouldn't escape from there.
He can never escape from this professional killer, sir. We will bring him to you any moment.
Good. But remember, there shouldn't be a single mark on his body when you get him to me. Don't hurt him.
Okay.
Boss, what is our next plan?
We have to sketch a plan to kidnap this man.
Of course.
For that, we have to stay in this village and follow every movement of his and find out. And one fine day, we are going to kidnap him from here.
But boss, where will we stay?
I have a plan for that. We have to get to know some big shot in this village. And that is your job.
That you do it yourself, huh? If any big team come now, you will mingle with them. And if any small team come now, I have to interact with them, huh? What? This is too much, huh?
Useless guy. In case I had a gun at this time, I'm sure I would have killed you, man.
Mom, what happened?
How many days I used to say today is Soumya's marriage. In this midterm they are coming for alliance. Dad has to inform me before, right?
Oh, so Dad didn't say anything to you? I came to know this morning only. Nice fellow. Finished MBA actually. You know, I saw his photo actually.
Photo. Whatever you say. If my friends come, I'll go with them.
Go where? Where does she want to go, huh?
Actually, she has to go for one wedding.
Wedding?
All old dear friends are coming to pick up her.
What will I tell the family who are coming to see you?
I don't want marriage now.
Huh? Hey, I'm telling you right now, if you like someone else, forget him right now. If she doesn't get married to the boy I'm showing her, I swear I'll kill the both of you and bury you alive. Mark my words.
Tell all your friends to not to come here, okay? Or else your dad will get anger on me.
He is only the guy. Satya Seelan.
Hello, Satyashilan speaking.
I'm only Meenakshi.
Meenakshi? Which Meenakshi?
You are going to come for alliance? That Meenakshi.
That Meenakshi. Okay, understood. We will reach there by 20 minutes.
That is, you no need to come today.
Why it's so?
I don't know. My dad is here. I just give the phone to him. Daddy, phone for you.
Who's on the line?
My friend's dad. They are coming here. They are not listening my words.
Give it to me. I'll talk to them. Hello? Don't you understand? Don't you all dare come here.
Excuse me, this is Meenakshi's house only, right?
Yes, this is Mr. Kesavan, her father speaking.
See, if he suddenly say like this, what can we do then?
Listen, mister, I don't want you all to come here. If I see any of you all around my house, I swear, I'll kill all of you and bury you all alive. Keep the phone.
Yuck, I think they are local family. Huh?
He got scared. He doesn't know about this military man Kesavan.
Then shall I go and get ready, Dad?
Huh? Yes, darling, go. Wear a beautiful sari, okay? I didn't know my daughter was so responsible and obedient.
Oh my god, at least today I have to give my love letter to Meenakshi. Kindly help me, God, please. Wow. Hey, hey, hey. La, 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 la. You, Shivanguti, I didn't expect this cruelty from you, man. I will show you, man. Well, you're trying to play with me, huh?
It's alright. Tomorrow, same place, same time. Can I see you?
No. Today I came earlier because my friend father passed away, that's why.
You also have a father living for a very long time.
Hey, listen here. Don't talk about my father. Don't make such comedies. Better you settle your loan, then you talk, okay? There is no use coming back at me, okay?
I will do it. Shivankuti will solve all the problems very soon.
What's going to happen?
The day I marry you. Your father's got a lot of money with him. You know, God has helped your father by giving him a lot of things. But God has forgot to give him only one thing.
This?
Common sense.
Where?
Look over there. See, he's flirting with your daughter. Now you understood, right? Now you can do whatever you want.
I don't want anything.
Hey!
I was just kidding.
Oh my
Where
god.
do you think you're going? Huh?
My bike is not getting started.
Wait, why are you talking to my daughter?
I told her my bike is not getting started.
Hey, what was he saying?
The same
He's
thing, right?
asking me to marry.
Go home right now.
It's getting late for me. Let me
Hey,
leave.
don't you have any thoughts about marrying my daughter? Get that? Out of your head first. The day your father dragged me to the court for the property, I decided to cut off all ties with y'all.
You stole all that property and you were the one who filed a case against them, right?
Shut your mouth and get lost.
Okay, I'm going.
Hey, listen, don't you dare test my patience, okay?
Bullshit. You think you're a big demon or what?
What you murmuring?
Look, are you very sure that you will not give your daughter to me?
Listen, mister, even if I have to die, I will never get my daughter married to you.
Excuse me? You wait and watch. My good days are just going to come now.
We'll see about that. I curse you, mister. You'll never be happy.
Hey Suresh, listen up. Hey Suresh.
Huh? Why are you shouting like this, man? What happened today that you're shouting like this?
No, our Shivankuti has just won a lottery. 50 lakhs and a car. Hey Suresh, I've just heard about this news at the tea shop with my own ears, I tell you.
Just get out from here. Early morning, you guys start off with some crap or the other. Hello, is it Blade Dasapan?
Blade Dasapan, your father.
Okay, then this is your father speaking. You good for nothing. How much money do we owe you? Tell me. Take that broken Jeep of yours and come to my house and collect the money and go, man. And bring all those people who have to get money from Shivankuti and come to my house. Did you hear me, you godforsaken guy?
Start the Jeep.
Now I'm gonna have a time of my life.
By the way, Suresh, where will we find Shivankuti? He's not in his house.
Hey, that's not a problem. He's gonna come in his Jeep. We'll go in that.
Ramakrishna, it's me, Devan. I want 2 years long leave. If you can't answer no, I'll resign myself. Like before, I need not earn money and do hard work for my bread and butter. And if you want any more money, na, I'll just send you. Another call is coming in line, so you please keep the phone.
Why are you sitting on top?
Oh, for asking this you have come from there, huh?
No, where is Shivankuti?
Hey, there's Shivankuti. Catch him, catch
I
him.
think that Dasapan has picked my uncle.
Hey, Shivankuti, stop!
Hey, it's me, your uncle. Please listen to me. Stop there. This is your uncle. Please listen to me. Stop there. It's not about the money. Try to
Hey,
understand.
you human beings! If you hurt your fellow being, which is not holy, the God will never forgive your sins.
Hey, please stop the vehicle.
If you are being slapped on your cheek, show them your other cheek. That is what is written. Hey, who's that? Oh my God, he's hit me with his bike! What kind of a person are you? You will always rot in hell! I curse you, you fellow!
What happened? What
One
happened?
bike came and hit him.
Oh, that must be Shivankuti's bike. Okay, listen, don't worry about anything. I will take care of all the hospital expenses, okay? You people come straight away to Shivankuti's house.
Let's
Bye.
go. Hey, you stop!
Hey, just try to listen to what we're saying.
Hey, you stop! Hey, we want to talk to you, stop! Why is this fellow not listening to us? Hey, reverse the car and go behind him! Hey, Shivankuti, stop! Go slow, man!
Will this break soon?
Even if an elephant stamps on it, it won't break.
Oh, this is how it will not break, huh?
Oh, shut up. Go from here.
Hey, brother, that bike went this way, right?
Yes.
Okay, take this address. Come here, I'll give you all the money. Okay, come, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Hey, go slow, Shivankuti. Hey, go behind him fast, let's not lose him.
Why did Shivankuti come to this forest?
Maybe he wants to swim away. Be careful. This is our Tekkekara Janu, right?
What? Tekkekara Janu?
Yeah, you don't know?
Is she the reason why this one came into this forest?
Oh my gosh, oh my
I'm really
gosh,
sorry.
my hip gone. Everyone come, please help me.
Please don't shout. It's just an accident.
I can't go for the work now. What shall I
she
do?
works in cooperative bank, right?
Oh my gosh. Listen, give the money for the doctor or else I won't
How
leave
much
you.
money do you want? Tell me.
500. No, 5,000, 5,000.
5,000 rupees?
Yes.
You come to his house. I'll give you 10,000.
Uncle!
Ah.
Till this day, our entire family doesn't have anything like this.
What, 10,000 rupees?
No, madness!
Hey, you just won 50 lakhs and a Maruti car in a lottery.
Huh?
That's why he's just lost it.
I have won a lottery?
Yeah.
That's right. You just won a lottery. I heard it from Sushilan and I heard it with my own ears.
Yeah. You tell me where the ticket is.
That ticket, it's inside the cupboard. Where is that stupid ticket? Where is it? I can't find it anywhere here.
Don't be tense, dear. It'll be here only.
I think it's in Uncle's home.
No, I have not kept it anywhere else.
Do you know, sister? When I was this small and when we used to go to take bath in that pond, brother used to always take me with him. One day, when I was learning how to swim, my hand slipped off the pot. And when I was about to drown and die, my brother was the one who saved me and brought me back to shore. But all this seems like it just happened yesterday. That is when I felt that on the way to the temple, I should come and meet my brother and then go.
When did you start going to the temple?
Yeah, on the way to the wine shop. At times I go to the temple
got my
also.
lottery ticket.
Yeah.
Listen, is the temple pond in south side?
North or south, you find out from your husband, okay? Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh my God.
I never knew that so much of luck is hidden in this dirty hand of yours. But I got to understand only now. But let me tell you one thing seriously. You should never be proud of yourself. You should be modest. You should be very modest. The more and more modest you are, the more and more happy you will be in your life.
See, Lottery Sushilan is here.
Ask him to
Welcome.
come inside, please.
You come here, na? Today itself you go to the bank and get the prize money and take a commission from that and bring it back. Go, don't waste time. Commission? Yeah, Shivankoti has won the lottery ticket now, so that commission. That's the matter. The lottery ticket was actually not won by him.
Who? But then?
That Shivankoti.
Oh my God.
My head is spinning.
Uncle.
You were the one who told me that he's won a lottery.
I just heard Shivankuti.
I'll give you one tight slap.
For that he don't have a single teeth now.
Just go and get out of this house, man.
Go from here.
No, why are you feeling bad? Stand up straight and be happy, man.
Brother-in-law.
I will. Don't raise my temper out.
How much did we promise that Janu?
You had told her that you will give her 10,000 rupees.
I don't remember anything. I was just checking if you remember.
Oh, my dear son, Sivadas.
This is your uncle, right?
Yeah, it's been so long since I've seen you, Nalini. I've got bananas for you. Hey, go keep it inside. Not only that, I've got your favorite sweets. You'll love them. My dear son Sivan, do you know the bananas which I got you are organic? They are the best. They're really tasty.
You mean the cow dung?
Keep quiet. I'm talking to him. You know what? I've got something special for you. Your favorite coconut sweets. Here you go. Take it.
Have you got anything else for
Hey,
me?
don't talk while we are talking. My dear son Sivan, I've abused you so many times in the past. Please forgive me. I hope you will. Let's forget about the past. Do you know why I have come here, my son? This is a time to celebrate, and that's the reason I've come here to spend time with you.
They will not tell anything. They will do it.
Tell him, how much did he win in the lottery?
50 lakhs and a Maruti car. But he didn't win the lottery ticket.
What?
It was won by Barber Shivankutti.
Huh?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, give me back those sweets. Hey, come here. Go inside and get those bananas right now. Hey, you're absolutely good for nothing. This idiot thinks that I've come here because he won a 50 lakh rupees lottery and a car.
Kesava, why are you so hard to him?
What do you want me to do? Kiss him? Oh God. Huh. I had such big dreams. Huh?
Oh my god. How am I going to avoid all these people?
I don't know. You have to tackle these people somehow. You're responsible for this.
Don't worry. Come with me. Dasapan,
Yes, Suresh.
I had abused you over the phone. Do you remember?
That's all right.
And I had used a lot of foul language also.
I forgot about that.
That's good. After that, I had told you one more thing.
Yeah, that you will pay all our money with interest. That's right.
Did I say that?
Exactly.
Then do one thing. Forget that also.
Where did he go? This is the house I told you about. Come.
Why is this man walking like this?
Who knows?
Shh. Come quietly. You've got all the facilities here.
What is this, boss? Are we playing train?
I don't know. Maybe we told them we're from the
Boss,
cinema
I
industry.
don't think here AC will be there.
Yes, it's a very poor house.
Pint. Hey, Pint.
Huh? Where this man is running?
Maybe he's going to take a
really?
bottle. What am I going to do with half a bottle? Oh, Dasapan, you're waiting here. I went to the front and saw you were not there. That's why I thought I'll come to the rear and check. Now, please don't run to the forward. Now, everything is fine with you, right?
Don't try all those tricks with me, Suresh.
There is nothing left in this house. I don't have even a single penny to give you.
I did not mean that.
Then,
I said stop playing tricks with me.
can't he do some hard work and earn some money?
Did you say
No,
anything?
nothing.
So I'm reducing some more money from your interest now.
What?
Huh?
Yeah, they're coming now. Action! Expression. Yeah, change. Yeah. Who is this one? Looks like he's from some zoo. I'm Director PKR.
I am Assistant Director Bruno.
First, let me try and understand this person. Then I'll decide if I have to shake my hand or
That
not.
is right.
So by the way, they'll stay in this house for some time.
In this house?
Yes. I've reduced their rent money from your interest.
By the way, if we're staying here, we'll come in and go out anytime we feel like. Never create any problems for me, that's all.
Why don't you open the door?
The back door of the house is already
Not
open.
the back door, front door.
In spite of the fact that the rent for this house is a little more, money is not an issue for us. Why you poor people don't have money, is it? No. Money will come today or go tomorrow.
Oh.
Do you know? In Saudi, I used to get paid 35,000 rupees just for doing nothing at all. Do you know that? Those were all good times.
Let me pass through.
Yeah.
What? 35,000 rupees for doing nothing?
Not simply. While going, he'll keep cement bags in the head, and while by coming, he'll be having a hollow bricks.
Oh, that was what he was doing. There is no TV in this house. At my house, there should be at least minimum 15 TVs at a time. 15 TVs in a house?
Not in a home. We used to live in railway stations, right? Over there.
A lot of my stories, I finished writing sitting in the railway station. That's the reason.
Yeah.
I am not able to understand anything, my god. I myself don't understand anything. How will you understand?
That is correct.
Here, there's one more person who comes in between to stay. Shivankutti. I hope that this doesn't
Hey,
inconvenience
that's
these people.
okay. Hey, by the way, you like the house, right?
Sorry, brother. What kind of a house is this? Does this house have an AC? And for entertainment, does it have television? Not only that, doesn't even have a nice lavatory.
Oh my god. Completely got damaged.
No. It is very difficult for us to sit and write a story in such a dirty place.
No,
so,
actually, I'm very
give me
tall,
back the
that's-
advance I paid you. Come on, give it back. Come on, fast.
By the way,
No more explanation. Can't you hear what he said? Take the money,
I see.
The Asappan has picked my uncle. Somehow I have to leave from this place.
Shivankuti has come. Shivankuti. 1 minute. I'll just come back.
He stays here. Innocent fellow.
Good that you have come at least
Any
now.
problem for you?
I'll tell you all that later. Come. I can kidnap him only if I stay in this house. Okay, give me that money. You believed it when I just told you a small joke. You've started believing in my jokes also. Where will we get such a nice house to stay in?
Yeah, this is the best place for script writing.
That's okay, thank God. By the way, let me just talk to them, okay?
The second phase of our operation has also been successful. My God, I'm so intelligent. I just can't believe myself.
For me also.
Don't overreact, you idiot. You should never be content with whatever God gives you.
Who gave?
Your father. You bloody idiot. You don't even understand a proverb when I tell you.
Okay, proverb.
From today, all our 4 eyes have to be always behind him.
Yes, boss.
My dear brother, if you drink in this age, your liver will melt.
Hey, there is no liver left. 1/4.
My God. Hey, do you know the name of the brandy that you drank? If I got to know that, I would have given this back and brought that brandy and gone. I just wish I could lie down on this floor like him.
Give me the balance.
Take the balance. The bill. Balance is correct, right?
Liquor has become very expensive. From tomorrow, you should try local brand. Okay, let's move. Why don't you stand properly, uncle?
I'll give you one tight slap.
You're
My
here.
God, Janu's come.
Don't get panicked. I got all my money.
What? From where?
I went and fight with his place. One fellow came and gave all my money.
My God, it should be my brother-in-law.
Did anybody else see when you were creating a problem there?
Of course, everyone watched this to me. I left after I got my money.
Did he ask you why the money was for?
I didn't say anything. But I think he thought something about me, you know?
You could have told those people that it was an accident.
I won't explain everything.
Oh, how can I face my relatives and people of my area?
For the time being, you don't have to face anybody in your house. Just be happy that you finished off with one debt. Sister, why did you come here now?
I came to buy half.
Oh my God. If women start drinking like this, I won't get my stock.
Come, let's
to
move.
start the vehicle, man.
Uncle, my brother-in-law. Are you all happy now? My bike is not getting started also.
Really making a shame. Nowadays, all the dealings in the public itself. I don't know what to do. Hey, stop there.
Let's run. Come, let's run.
Shivankuti.
Come, let's move.
My dear lady, don't come behind us.
Why don't you go that side? Come, let's move.
Don't run, Shivankuti. I told you to stay there.
No, you will not.
I will kill you today. And damn sure will kill you. Someone is running to kill him. We are following him.
We can't let him die. If he dies, all our plans will get destroyed. We have to save him somehow or the other. Come, let's go.
Yes, boss.
Your brother-in-law seems to be like a fast runner.
This is what a speed. You know that Janu's got more power. I mean in running. You don't go that side. Come, let's move this side.
Oh my God. Somehow, I saved myself from your brother-in-law.
You're responsible for everything and now you're blaming me or what? Why have they come here?
Why did you people run?
Actually, one forest dog was chasing us, so we were running.
Now the dog will never chase you. We've taken care of that dog. Look what we did to that dog. Look.
Oh my God, it's my brother-in-law.
Oh my God.
Hey, Meenakshi.
What happened?
Today Dad has got something.
He's coming here only.
Hey, this is disgusting. What is this?
This is a letter, Dad.
Huh? Who wrote this letter?
How come I know? Letter is with you only, right?
How dare you talk to me? Hey, do you know something? Someone's written a love letter to her. This has been going on since long. Do you know it clearly describes the dress that she wears every day to college? Who wrote this letter?
How come I know?
I'm sure you know who it is. Tell me who wrote this letter.
I think my love letter got trapped.
This is really bad. Who wrote this letter to you?
Don't ask me such questions. I'm saying I don't know anything.
Hey.
Just now she started her work. You came and spoiled her. Without tension, go and find that fellow who wrote this letter.
Go inside. I'll find out who it is.
What happened? He went out.
Today when your father is fast asleep, I will come to your house.
All plans got
I
down.
hope you will open your heart and welcome me with all your love, my darling.
Will you open?
Open your heart. I'll see about that.
Dad! It's me, your son. It's me, your son.
What have you done, you stupid fellow? You have disturbed our sleep also. What is your relationship with that Janu?
Dad, my bike had hit that Jano. It was just an accident, you know. These people are just creating some problem. You need not have any unnecessary thoughts, my dear Dad.
She created a scene in front of everybody. We were ashamed.
Don't worry, Dad. I've got something for you. Ding, ding, ding. If you have 2 pegs from this, you will forget all your problems which happened here. From where is this noise coming?
It's Devan. He fell down on his way, so he's getting a massage.
Is it? Okay, Dad. You can have this. Come on. Dad, I'm leaving now.
Hey, wait.
No, I don't want any money.
Tie this around your hip. It's been given by the temple priest.
Dad, after wearing all these spiritual threads, I'm finding it difficult even to wear underwear. You know something? Instead of this, you can take me to some temple and keep me as an idol there. I'll be safe.
Just tie this.
This is too much, Dad. Always when I walk, some noise is coming.
Did you know this one? They're going to confirm Meenakshi's marriage.
Look, man, don't drink like this even without mixing water into alcohol. Haven't I told you not to have so many high expectations and dreams in life? Enough of drinking for today. Have your drink in sips. Don't gulp alcohol like this. Let him drink. Let him drink till he's happy.
Yeah.
I have also suffered a lot of pain in life because of love. I understand. How is that? One day before my marriage, my fiancé, whom I had to get wedded with, ran away with the milkman. Was it your sister who ran away? I hadn't touched alcohol in my life till that day. But after that, every day I used to be under the influence of alcohol. God is always the alcoholics. Haven't you heard that? Jesus Christ had converted water into wine for one marriage. You mean he did that for a marriage? Are you sure he did that for a marriage? Didn't he? No, man, it was not for a marriage. It was in the church. Let it be, wherever it is. He converted water to wine, is it not so? Yeah. Why did he not convert it only to a lemonade? Why did he convert water to wine and not a sarbat? Tell me, alcohol is very important in life.
Yeah.
So you drink now. When such a great man is advising you, can't you listen to him, please? Will somebody give you such valuable advice just in the name of friendship?
I never thought boss will have this much knowledge about everything.
This is not being kept here for you to drink. This is for him to drink and then get him unconscious so that we can kidnap him. Don't you remember all the instructions that boss has given to us?
Oh, sorry boss. I completely forgot about that.
Very good.
Boss, plan is working out. Boss, mix some water, otherwise he'll die.
Nothing will happen. Brother, my dear brother, just please drink this last peg for me. Then you'll feel nice and happy.
Yeah. Have some. Have it.
It's very less. I've topped it up with water.
My dear Meenakshi, no one else will marry you. It's me alone. I will not give you to anyone.
Now our operation has been successful. Now you can have a small peg.
Thank you, boss.
Okay. Only 65 ml.
My darling Meenakshi. Meenakshi, I want to see you now.
Boss!
Oh no! Oh God!
He's going out somewhere during this time.
Him? I think he has understood all our plans and he's trying to escape from here. I can't let him go. Follow me! Come! I told you not to make him drink.
I just started only 90.
How many times?
9 times only.
Bloody fool. Mr. Bruno, where do you think he's trying to go now?
To find that only we're following him, right?
Oh. Come.
My God, Meenakshi should not have slept now. That stupid uncle should have slept. No need to jump from this gate. Some sound will come. Why are the dogs barking now? Can't they sleep for some time?
It's better I can climb in this. I hope nobody's watching me. Let me keep this. I'll go back in this itself.
Stop.
Stop!
Mr. Bruno, come on, start the search.
Boss, he's over there. I think he's a very big robber than us. See how the way he steals.
That's a different matter. But still, how did he climb the wall and...
Boss, if he jumps from the compound, we'll jump from the gate.
No. If the mother can do a high jump, then the daughter can do a long jump, right?
Then what will we do?
There is time. We'll plan.
Before that, if he escapes?
We will plan once again. I don't have a problem with planning.
Okay.
Do you know? My pet name itself was Mr. Planning.
Oh, really?
But there were some people who were jealous of me. So they kept a different name for me. That sounds like a bad word. But they call me with that name also.
Oh, like that, huh?
I think my uncle would have slept now.
Meenakshi? Oh, I think she's having a very deep sleep. Meenakshi, open the door. Meenakshi, I said open the door. Oh, is she sleeping in some other room? Meenakshi? She doesn't have any time to sleep. I think I have to find some other way now.
Bun.
Bun. That too in this night, huh? Where will we get?
I'm not asking you for a bun. Asked you to
You
bend.
told me to bend. Okay. Boss, you're so much of weight.
Where is he?
Boss.
I'll kill you.
From where is the gun sound coming? Let me move from here. An ambulance is coming.
Be careful with me, you vagabond.
Boss, not to worry. I'm there with you.
This is our director, sir, right? Did you go to some shooting with this ambulance?
But what has happened to his neck?
Actually, yesterday sir was in a very good mood. So to get a storyline, he just turned back in the previous years. At that time, just got a sprain. Yesterday night also we took him to the hospital. And just now we are coming here.
Oh, really? Then what happened to the story?
Story would have been got over yesterday itself.
Are these medicines for him?
Hey, no. Actually, doctor said to not eat solid items.
Oh, is it?
I bought chili chicken and parota.
Move. Let him go inside and keep it inside.
Be careful, boss. Otherwise, chili chicken
He's
will
got a
get
nice
spoiled.
disciple, right? He always takes care of his boss. Very nice guy. Listen, do you want to come back in an ambulance like this one day?
No.
Get ready soon, man. That Dasapan will be here any moment if it is 8 o'clock. And if we meet him, we have to leave this house any moment.
I'm already ready.
I had told you a long time back not to keep the documents with him, right?
Uncle Dasapan has come.
Dasapan's father.
Look back.
I was telling him that Dasapan's father has studied with my father's brother, but he's saying no. How you come so early? It's just 7 o'clock.
I know for a fact that after 7 o'clock, I won't even find a dust off you guys. Hey guys,
Yes,
go inside
boss.
and throw the stuff out.
Okay.
Actually, Dasapan bro,
You go and tell him personally. Why are you standing here?
it's a humble request from me. Please don't do that. I have not received any money. Just give me about 10 days time. That's enough.
Oh my God! Hey, look here, Bruno. These guys are taking me out of the house.
Who is kidnapping my boss?
help me.
Boss! Why are you taking him? How dare you take my boss? Hey, keep him there. Keep him there. You don't know who I am.
Hey! I need them. Take them inside.
Okay,
Take
boss.
them inside.
Take him inside. Be careful of his
Go.
head, na. It's already damaged. Nothing inside his head.
Dasapan bro, I am giving you assurance within 10 days I'll return back the money to you. Otherwise you can keep this house.
Not only your assurance, I need his assurance also. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Will you deviate from it?
No.
Boys, stop. Come outside. If you default now.
Hello? Yes?
Huh?
Okay.
What happened?
That Devan has been arrested by police, it seems.
Mummy? Dad, why did police arrest our brother-in-law?
How dare you ask me this question? What wrong did she do to you? She even gave her ornaments for you to pawn. When everyone was swearing at you, I loved you so much. You cheated your own people. How can you? Now I know you can go down to any level for money.
Actually, Dad,
No. We don't want to see you here again. Go. Get out from our lives.
When you ask for the money, my husband only told to give the bangles.
Sister.
When I come to know it's duplicate, definitely I suppose not to give to him. Actually, he told not to ask you. Let him give when he can. But now, he got a name as a culprit. You spoiled her life. You would have told all this to your father now. Why you didn't say that? Why did you do all this to us? It's all our fate. I just can't tolerate all this. Just get out from here. Just go.
I'm not worried because my father had hit me or scolded me.
Then what is making you upset?
For the past 7 years, my brother-in-law's not told any good thing about me.
So is that your problem?
That's not my worry. My brother-in-law has helped me even though I don't know about that, uncle.
If he has helped you, he should feel sad. But why are you feeling sad for that?
Yeah, you have a point. But uncle, because of me, my brother-in-law has been arrested now. I am really feeling for that.
Look man, somebody tried to commit suicide and the rope broke, that's all. And that is his fate. Your brother-in-law had to step into the police station yesterday and that happened yesterday.
Can you please stop giving examples, my dear uncle? Somehow I should get some money and return to the people from whom I borrowed. Until that, I will not go back home.
Oh, you dear fool. If you finish all your debts, then why do you have to go home? Then you don't have to fear anybody and you can happily live in this village like a king. Instead of that, if you want to go home, you go home now. I am just giving you a small piece of advice out of love.
Actually, uncle, you are a very lucky fellow, you know. No one to hit you, no relative to scold you, no unnecessary sentiments also. Most important, no girl to love you also.
Why do we need somebody else now? You yourself are enough for all these problems now.
Who's that? Come, let's help them. Come.
There is no problem. Huh. He just doesn't. Sir.
Where is he?
We've just moved him to the room.
What did the doctor say?
Nothing major. Come. I saw him go for fishing this morning by the riverside. He was unconscious. They found out our address from the company laptop. And when they called, I started.
You should have contacted me immediately.
I tried you so many times, but I couldn't get through.
At least you could have contacted me.
But I was not at all clear that it was our guy. In such situations, we never expect Jeevan, sir. We couldn't even recognize him. Come.
Come, let's see him.
Jeeva, what happened to you?
Bro.
Don't wake him now.
He would not remember old stuff. Otherwise, how would he forget his personal secretary? That is me. He doesn't even remember my name.
Who are these people?
I tried for too long. He doesn't remember a thing
Who's this lady?
about us or the company. After we brought him here, he tried to run away 2 times. It was very difficult for me and the nurses to get him to sleep. Thankfully, he was not hurt much.
You're the patient's...
I'm Mahendra,
Ah.
company manager.
Okay.
And she's...
Mom.
This is his brother.
Hello, doctor. I'm Vijay.
I'm Nakulan, driver come PA.
So, his father, brother-in-law and uncle? But the patient was talking about them.
Doctor, we are the only relatives that he have and no one else.
Where have I reached now? Is this a mental hospital? Anyway.
Mr. Mahendran, can you please come to my
Okay,
room?
doctor. Nagulan,
Yeah,
please go and settle all the bills.
sir.
Here.
Oh, these people are really wealthy. I will not leave them anymore.
First, when he got consciousness, he asked for his mother, father and his brother-in-law. That is why I was asking so.
When Jeevan was 10 years old, his mother passed away.
Hmm.
After a year, his father passed away in an accident. Doctor, have you heard about Mr. Rajashekharan who runs the Jeevan group of companies?
Yes, I've heard of him.
That's his father. Jeevan escaped from the accident.
So, the lady who was sitting there?
She's my sister Maya Devi. After Mr. Rajashekhar's first wife passed away, he married my sister.
Oh.
Doctor, any problem?
Hey, nothing. Seriously, there's no problem. His head has a small injury. It's a slight memory disorder. But anyways, he will get alright soon. Anyways, let him be here for 2 more days. Don't worry about anything.
Antarctica, Somalia, Costa Rica. Swaha! Now tell me, do you remember anything?
I don't have any problem.
Ha! Did you see that? That is my talent. So why don't you tell me? Who is he?
How do I know? I am seeing this person for the first time. You have misunderstood me. I don't know anyone in this place.
How is it possible? So who are you?
I told you, I am Jeevan.
Yeah, so what kind of Jeevan are you? That's what I asked.
Your father's, not yours, his.
Boss, he's changed his name. Idea, we can also change our name, right?
Idiot. If we change our name, how will he identify us?
Boss, you're great.
As we thought, he's not a very easy person. We have to become more careful now.
Okay, boss.
Om, cream, brill, cream, talcum powder, swaha. I will not allow any evil soul to get into his body. I'll throw it out. Swaha. No. Om, cream, swaha. Om, cream, swaha. Evil soul, leave his body.
Before this problem ends, will we get our money, boss?
Oh, don't tell me that. It's not a small amount that he has to give me. He's been spoiling my peace of mind. I don't know why that fellow jumped into the river.
But we heard that he jumped to rescue someone else to actually marry his mother.
I'll punch you on your face. Shut up. Stupid imbeciles, no good fellows.
There will be no use of all his puja and all. It's better we show a psychologist, but you're not allowing.
That is not required, Deva. When he fell into the river, he must have seen something. By the way, this Swami is a very renowned
These
person.
are the all stupid business that they are doing. For money, they'll do whatever they want, huh?
Now do you remember anything?
I have told you several times I don't know anyone here.
You act. You're acting very well now. To cheat all those people whom you have to give money, there's no better idea than this. Your blessings, please.
Swaha! Do not disturb the ongoing puja. Gods will get angry.
Before the major thing starts, can I please go and take a small leak and come? Please, please. Do you want to go to the washroom?
Hello? I'm calling out to you. Aren't you hearing?
No. Who is this? I don't understand. My name is Pitambaran. You're all... I don't understand who you are.
Oh, so you also lost it?
Yeah. We both fell into the river together, right? Now even I have got possessed.
Hey, Parabu.
Yes, boss.
Why don't you remind him something?
Now I'll do, boss.
Not required. I don't think I am possessed anymore.
So are you sure?
Yeah. Your name is Dasapan. Both these boys are your disciples.
Yes, correct.
My dear Dasapan, we were on the way back from a bank with your money and that's when we fell into the river. Believe me, I'm telling the truth. Only he knows which bank he's kept the money in. He's not told me anything about that.
Oh, so who would give him that much money?
That also, only he knows. I think it is some distant relative of his. That's what he told me. Till the time Shivakunti doesn't get his memories back, it is very difficult to do
Now
anything.
that I have waited for so long,
Okay.
I shall treat him from now on.
Boss, I have a doubt. What's the use of kidnapping this guy who has debts and many financial problems? Huh?
That should not be known by a professional.
Yeah,
killer.
correct.
They asked us to find the person in the photo, and we have done our job.
Yeah.
But further, whatever the case is, now we have to go give the person and collect the rest of the money and come back. That's all. I don't even have 5 rupees with me. We were talking about him and he's calling now. We have exceeded the date that he's given us to bring the person. But what do we do now?
Boss, keep your phone switched off for a few days. Don't attend any calls. After kidnapping him, we will call them back. Why to simply get scolding from them, boss?
You are intelligent.
Thank you. Sir, they're not attending the call.
Idiots. We asked them to find a person. We found him, but they are nowhere to be seen. Professional killers. Disgusting fellows. Where did you find these idiots?
Sir, that
You're after no need to deal with them. Listen, I want you to keep a close eye on Jeevan till he gets married to my daughter.
Sir.
Jeevan shouldn't escape from our clutches.
Okay, sir.
Jiva is not interested in this marriage, so don't compel. For you're greedy, I won't help it.
If you talk to me again like this, I swear, I'll cut your tongue. Till this marriage gets over, I want you to mind your own business and shut your bloody mouth. If Jeevan gets married to another girl, I'll send your son out of our house, okay?
Your target is only the money. That's why even I'm not interested. That's why I married to that big shot Rajashekar.
Yes, you're right. When your first husband left you, you came here with your child in your arms. That's why I got you married to Mr. Rajsekar. I did it for the money. But I did this not only for myself, but also for your son. When Mr. Rajsekar passed away, I assumed he wrote his will on yours and your son's name. But unfortunately, when the will was read out, it was on your son's name. I do not have the strength, patience or time to go to the court and solve this problem of ours. I've made a lot of future plans. If you try to do anything funny, I swear I won't see you or my sister. I'll kill you and bury you.
Bro, get on carefully.
What are you looking at, sir?
Where have I come now?
House. It's your house, sir.
I see. You call this as a house?
Jiva, my dear son, come inside.
That lady is calling you.
She's calling you only.
That I've understood because I know I'm Jeevan.
Sivan, listen. I want you to take his things and keep it on top.
So you know my original name? Can't I see that my hand is fractured? How can I take the luggage from here?
What are you doing here, brother?
Actually, I was
Shivankutty,
trying
kindly
to-
bring all the luggages inside. Bro, come, let's go inside.
Any good-for-nothing person is called as Shivankutty Award.
Come.
It has been too quiet since you left.
Did these people have some good dreams? Do you walk in this house or do you travel by auto? Such a huge house.
Jiva, relax, I'll
okay.
get you some drinks.
Brandy will be comfortable for me. But how can I rent these people? Oh, what a beautiful sofa.
Vijay, all things are improper in the company. You have to go to the income tax office and make everything proper.
Yes, I will take care, uncle. And you, don't waste time in roaming outside. You should always be with my brother. Make sure that he takes all the medicine in time.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. I'll be with him.
Brother, I'm busy today. Don't worry, it'll get over within 2 days. Take care, buddy. I'll go and come back soon.
Okay.
This is an English medium school. I cannot stay here for a long time.
What happened, son?
Nothing. I was just thinking about myself.
Have it, dear.
No, I don't like this. Oh, it's too cold. I will have it later.
It's okay, have it.
Jiva, take rest. No need to come to the office.
Again started?
Take rest.
Let me drink this completely, otherwise they will again start talking in English.
Thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Good. Go inside and take rest.
Okay.
Nagulan, take him inside.
Come, sir. Not this way, that way. Why don't you follow me? Come.
Oh. Is this Mysore Palace or what? Mr. Nagulan, what is your educational qualification?
I studied till 8th. You know it, right?
Yeah, I'm really happy about that.
Sir, you should take rest now. Come.
How many kilometers to reach my room? Can you tell me? Tell me, buddy.
Sir, after you left, I'm stepping into this room for the first time.
Me too.
Oh no, this place is a mess now. Sir, stay here. I'll clean it up.
What a wonderful room. Now I understood why these people have brought me from the hospital to this house. In fact, I'm able to understand everything now. Oh, my dear uncle, now really I won a lottery ticket.
So, Jeevan sir, when you left, your Nancy was pregnant. Now she has delivered. But nobody knows about it.
You irresponsible idiot. Some girl has become pregnant because of you and you have left this place? You have cheated all these people here. Now I'll have to take the burden of protecting that girl and the child. I will take a revenge on you for this. Mr. Nakulan, actually, what you told is right. Unknowingly, I committed a mistake in my life. Since nobody has known about it till now, let us give some money and avoid that case completely.
Avoid the case?
Yeah.
Sir, you only mentioned when our doggy reproduces. We should not tell anybody. We shall take care of the babies ourselves.
Yeah. Now I remember I told you, but I forgot it now.
Hi, Jeevan.
Yeah.
How are you? How do you feel now?
Again English? Who's this character?
Ranjini, Mahindra sir's daughter. She has just reached from Bangalore.
Is it?
Hello, Ranjini. Why are you waiting outside, dear? Come inside. Come near to me. Come. It's long time since we met.
Jeevan?
Don't disturb me. If I start overacting, she will definitely feel that I'm mad.
Ranjini, what happened? Come inside.
What is this, Jeevan? This many days where you went without saying me? Do you find any mistake on me? You have to inform me, right?
Mr. Jeevan, so you've cheated this girl also. Actually, I'm trying to forget that incident, my dear.
Our marriage, Maya auntie and our dad has decided that you don't like,
now
right?
I understand why he left this place. Actually, people are bluffing who don't like me, you know.
Then do you like me very much?
Oh my god.
For so many years, I'm in love with you that I has to inform. If you really love me, please
Started again?
accept this gift. Just say yes or no. Do you love me or
Somehow I
not?
should give a reply to her now.
No.
No? What?
Gold ring?
Yes.
Oh, thank God.
Come on, fast.
So cute.
Only a golden ring. If you would have given me a golden chain or a golden bracelet, I would have finished my debts by now.
Actually, I just want to know whether your love is so small. I was expecting a bigger and a heavier ring than this.
Very funny. I'm very happy now.
Me too.
Shall I go now? See you.
Bye. Toss up and bro, this is for you. Yeah.
What a beautiful bed. It's long time since I've taken rest in such kind of a beautiful bed.
Oh, Jiva, love you. Mwah. You know something? If I need to go back to my native place, I need a lot of money with me. It's my humble request. Please don't come back to this house very soon. Let me act as Jeevan for some days and return all my debts. Okay?
Then alone I can marry Meenakshi.
Actually, Jiva, where are you now?
Get the bottle, get the bottle.
Take it now. Give it to him.
Wine bottle, not this one, oil bottle.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
What a disgusting oil. Pour.
Listen. This way.
This way?
Exactly.
this way.
Good.
I have treated lot of people with such conditions.
Oh.
But this one is one of a kind.
This is the first time he's falling
Maybe
in water.
that's why. You... he might take some more time.
Oh, no problem. Take your time till he gets well. Take your time.
Uncle, Dad is calling you.
Keep rubbing his back.
Please.
Okay. Come on.
Nobody feels for this poor fellow. Why don't you pour some oil? I'll just go take bath. Till then you try on him. If he faints, let me know. This is how you learn. I couldn't get this chance. Repeat this one. Oh God.
Oh, I feel so bad. I cannot see Sivadas in so much pain. Oh, poor chap.
If we get him married, everything will be alright. That's what Mosu said.
Yes, I feel the same.
I think a girl who understands completely about him is better.
Yes, you're right. A girl who understands him well. Ah, yes, that girl Janu. She has a younger sister, Kanakarani. Not only that, Kanakarani's mother knows about Sivan very, very well. Why don't we talk to her?
Sure.
I said what I have to, it's your wish. I have nothing to say now.
Keshava, we are thinking about the girl Meenakshi.
Meenakshi, I was expecting this. You want to spoil my daughter's life by getting your stupid son married to her? Never, never. He's good for nothing. He's a useless chap. He'll never improve. I'll never get my daughter married to him.
No, but actually we just planned because Meenakshi is also interested in this alliance.
But I'm not interested in this marriage. I'll solely decide who my daughter should get married to. That nobody should advise me. I'll never accept this alliance. What are you doing? Come on, let's go home. Hurry up. They wanted to get their son married to my daughter. Hey, listen to me carefully. My daughter will get married only to a millionaire. Mark my words, it will be a grand wedding and all of you will feel very, very jealous.
Oh my god, my bad.
Everybody is having so many problems on top of the head, and here you want to show your dance? This is the first time in my professional life that all my plans have got destroyed.
Nothing happened and you also got hurt.
Before this, how many times I have so easily kidnapped so many people? And I've kidnapped so many of them.
Everything is fine, boss. But if you're not frequently attending the boss call, no, he will arrange some other rowdies and just kidnap us only. Already we are too late.
Don't scare me like this. At least find a way out for me.
I think we need one more person's help to kidnap him. Else we can't do anything.
You mean a third person?
Yes.
We have to find out somebody who is his enemy and does not like his family. Then everything will be very easy.
Is anybody there like that?
Should be there. Has to be there. We have to find him. If not, I will. Oh my god. Again he's trying to call me.
Boss, what do you want now? That man should not call you often, right?
Yes.
I have an idea for that. Give it.
Huh? How did he learn all these tricks?
Hey, see that's way he flying, huh? Hey. Let's see how we'll call now. Boss.
You.
What?
Oh my god, see the way he's drinking. Has he not seen liquor in his life? Now it's my turn.
Sir, you didn't even like to come to such places. Now that you come to the bar and buying me liquor. I can't believe this.
You're such a wealthy person, but you don't drink alcohol? Which means if I drink, he'll have a suspicion on me.
And come on, drink. Nakula, how is this Ranjini's character?
Sure. So you only mentioned that she's not a good girl. You only said that you will not marry her under any compulsion from the family and without telling anybody, without even taking your car, you left. You disappeared, didn't you? And now you...
Oh, actually, when I met with that accident, I forgot everything, dear.
If you forget everything, all your Benami assets will be robbed away.
Which means Jeevan has got a lot of wealth with him.
I'm thinking to save all your assets that Mahendran sir and your stepmother wants to get you married to that Ranjini. Do you understand?
Which means if I impress Ranjini, I will get definitely more gold from her.
That Mahendran sir is not a good guy. But even though you are a stepson, your brother Vijayan really likes you a lot. He treats you like his own elder brother.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nakulan. This is more than enough for me to stay here for some more days.
Yeah.
What happened, sir?
Bill. I was asking the bill.
Okay, sir.
Bill.
Sir, but I didn't finish the bottle yet.
Don't waste much time. Come on, have it quickly. Come on, have it.
Oh, I'm really missing this drink.
Come on, quick. It's getting late.
So here's your bill.
Bill to me?
Actually, I have not brought cash with me, so you do one thing. Pay this in company account.
Even he doesn't have? Give it.
Take. Hold this. Here. 20. Take. Another one.
Oh my god, I hope I will not puke.
Come, let's move, my dear.
Sir, now that we bought this, let me finish that.
Buddy, why are you bothered to have this kind of local drinks? We'll have something
sir,
good.
please.
Come on, let's move. Still intoxicated?
Jeevan. How are you, man? How are you doing? Are you fine? How's your business going? All good? Even if you fall into a big ocean, you never die. Always you're safe. You're just like a cat, man.
I think everybody has known what happened to me.
Did you recognize him?
No?
Rangaswamy. He wants to destroy our business. We starting our garments and exports business in Bangalore. You know, he does not like it at all.
That's bad.
We have just started it. This business also he will try to destroy.
He should get destroyed. For this purpose, we have to go to our office tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Why is she scolding me?
Sir, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Sir, going to the toilet.
I thought I could give some company to you.
No, sir, I'll go alone.
No, it's not like that. Okay, you go alone. Come on. I think this should be the way inside.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning,
Oh, good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Where is that empty room? I hope nobody will enter this room soon so that I can get some money from here. Let me check. I'm sure I can get something from here. Nothing here. Checkbook. Very good, very good.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, I'm here. Please come. Now let me act. Yes. If you're not punctual to your office daily, I will terminate you immediately. Yeah. I'm very strict about punctuality. And you know something? If I get more angry, I may hit you also, I may bite you also. You know very well that in this business empire, I'm a lion. You want to hear my sound? Meow. Meow. Okay, now cut the call, you stupid fellow. He is trying to play the fool
Sir,
with me. Huh?
this phone is not working, but these phones are working.
You could have told this before. I have lost my money talking this phone. Okay, do one thing. Where have we kept the money in this office? I want to see that. I want to count that money and plan something for me.
Sir, you know that we don't hold cash here. Everything is in the bank.
Which means I will not get anything from here.
Sir, but here is the check.
Oh yeah.
If you sign in there, we can take as much as we can.
You put my signature.
But you have to sign.
Yeah, I know, but I have some problem in my handwriting.
No, sir, but if I sign, you will not get a penny.
I know about that. Okay, I will put my signature. You do not worry about that. How and where will I find this Jeevan signature? Oh my god, let me search here itself.
Sir?
What do you want?
I wanted to tell you something. I'm just getting 5,000 rupees. I'm in difficulty. You said you will give me a raise this time.
Yeah, definitely this time I'll give you an increment. From today, your salary has been increased to rupees 15,000.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Every 3 months you can come and collect your salary, okay? Out! I'm somehow trying to find Jeevan's signature, but I'm not able to get it. And at that time, he's asking about his increment. Bloody stupid fellow. Oh my god, I think this is Jeevan's signature. Can't he put a signature so that people can understand? I don't think ever in my life I can learn how to put a signature. What to do now?
Sir, there is an email from Chennai.
Okay, please tell him to see it and give him some snacks and maybe one vada. One vada for me also, okay?
What?
Tell me.
Sir, is there any problem with your internet?
Shit, what mine? If somebody comes to know about that, I will lose my respect here. I don't have any problem with internet. You don't create any problem, okay? I have to be careful about this.
Sir, I need signatures on these documents. It has to be sent to Bangalore today.
Will you please leave from here? With great difficulty, I am trying to practice to put my signature in this file. In between, you're coming and asking my signature.
Hey, why are you here? What happened?
Sir, I just asked him to sign these documents, but he's getting
I told
angry.
you to not involve brother in any office issue. I told you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you may leave now.
Okay.
He's always like that. Just don't take in your mind.
Oh, you're here.
Yeah, just give now.
Sit down. You should have taken rest for 2 more days, Jeevan.
If I keep on taking rest, then how can I complete my work, Angil?
Yes, you're right. Me and Maya fixed it.
What?
Your marriage.
So you confirmed the date?
Yes, 20th of this month.
Congrats, brother. We have to
you.
celebrate this. Ranjini?
Yes.
Uncle, I have to immediately give a reply for the mail from the Chennai. Okay?
Carry on.
Brother, we'll meet you soon.
Oh.
I think I will get caught in this.
Jeevan, there are a few more days for the marriage.
Yeah.
Are you okay with my decision?
I'm very happy for this. All preparation should start immediately.
Okay, Jeevan, you guys carry on. My friends are waiting for me. I had to go. Okay, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
20th marriage. So before 19th night, whatever I get from here, I have to take it and escape from here. I want to go to the next town. Can you help me, please? Can you please ride fast? Speed. It's me, Jeevan Rajan.
The same gun.
Hands up!
It's original.
Don't move.
Stupid.
If you do, I'll shoot you.
Idiot. I think he knows only bad words.
Move. Go inside.
I
Hurry
think
up.
he's going to kill us today.
Sit down. I know the two of you very well. What do you want to tell me? Bhanuvati, get some tea. Are you scared of my gun?
We are not afraid of every guns, but we are afraid of this gun. Am I right, boss?
Don't worry. Do you know something? In the past, I have killed many Pakistani terrorists with this gun.
Also Indian snake.
Shut up. We came here to ask a help from you, sir. By doing this, you'll be very happy and you'll get little money also, sir.
What do you want? Thank you.
He didn't give us one cup of tea also and he's drinking.
What's the matter?
It's a little secret and confidential.
Oh, so you both are not movie makers.
No.
I had my doubts when I had seen your outfits. Tell me, why are you looking out for that fool?
Not for us, sir, but for some other guy.
Oh, I'm sure he borrowed money from him.
We don't know all that. Can you do it for us?
Give me the work and I'll finish it for you. But sadly, you are willing to pay very less for this work.
Increase the amount.
What?
Offer 1 lakh.
Okay, 1 lakh.
Huh?
If you give him to us, immediately I'll give you the money, okay?
1 lakh? 1 stone, 2 birds. I'll get the money and also he'll stop following my daughter. Okay.
When can we have the operation?
What are we waiting for? Let's begin tonight. Come on.
Boss, will his plan work out?
Shh, come.
Come. Boss, did he hear that sound? Can we go and hide somewhere?
Hide? Professional killers never go into hiding.
Then?
We'll run and escape.
Keep it low. Don't keep talking.
If these people identify us, what will do?
They'll kill us.
Them, huh?
No, these people will kill us.
Oh
Shut
my
up and
God.
come, man.
Shh. Someone's coming. That's Sivadas. Where's he going in the middle of the night?
I think to pee.
I'll go see.
That is too bad.
Why is it bad?
To go and watch a man passing urine.
Oh, you two wait over here. I'll go.
Okay. Boss, are you not sitting?
I'm having a lot of trouble here. I am trying to convince these people that I am Jeevan, but nobody is believing me here. Since we both look similar, these people think that I am Shivan Kuti.
Oh, now I get
Shivan
it.
Kuti has got a lot of debts, hence always his house is surrounded by borrowers.
Oh, so you're acting. Everyone's thinking you're Sivadas.
No, it's not like that. I just want to somehow escape from here.
Where is that guy gone? I can't see him.
Boss, did you hear that? Samdan is riding the horse.
It's not anybody's horse.
Huh?
They are my knees which are knocking against each other.
Why are you so covered, boss? At least stay like me. See how I'm standing?
Oh, like this, right?
You have to stay here for some more days. Not as Jeevan Group of Companies MD Shivan Kuti, but as penniless Shivan
But
Kuti.
for what?
Hey, leave now. I'll call you later.
Boss, did you hear someone shouting there?
Come on.
Oh, now I've understood everything. He's not Sivadasan. He's a millionaire. Now, look how I changed this whole game. I have to somehow escape from them. 1 lakh is bigger than a crore.
Boss, there he is. Very cold. That way I have covered.
This is our last chance. Today we have to kidnap him.
Then what about the military?
You fool. Why do we have to give him that 1 lakh from our money?
Then shall I take that?
Yes.
Boss, which tool can we use? This is red brick.
No, this will be noisy.
Oh, I see. What about this stone?
No, he can even die.
Okay, then we can use this.
Yes. To make somebody unconscious without noise, that is the best.
If he wasn't covered, I could have aimed his head. Oh, there you go.
Oh, mommy!
Come.
Yes. Boss, he's a military.
Now what do you have to say?
I don't have any plan with me now.
In such conditions, what do I say? I don't know about any conditions. Who will give me my money and when will I get it?
I'll give it to you. Why? You don't believe me? Trust this man. I know you don't trust him, but you trust me, right? If this military man makes a promise, he'll stick by it for life.
When will you give?
I was just checking what is on your head.
That's nothing. Actually,
that is nice. Nowadays, I think people have started doing like this.
By the way, when will you give me my money?
Listen, once my daughter Meenakshi gets married to Sivadas, that day I promise I'll give your money. Take my word.
Keshava, you change your statements every time. And then we're all stunned at the end of the day. This is not done.
No. It won't happen again.
My dear brother, what he's saying is also right.
Right.
Buddha had got enlightenment when he was sitting under the tree. Were you sitting under a tree like that yesterday by any chance? Yeah. And not only that, brother. And in front of such a big person, he's saying that he'll finish all the debts and also get his daughter married to him. Is it possible to just say something like that?
You're right.
Look, he seems to be really mad. Somehow we have to get...
what did you say?
What I was saying is that, however, we have to get the marriage done soon.
Oh, correct. Now all of us should get together and arrange this marriage. We should celebrate. Sivadas, my son-in-law, it doesn't matter if a person is rich or poor. He should have a good heart. I've understood you're a precious gem.
No, it's not late. At least now you were able to understand.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not in the mindset to marry a girl now.
No, he's lying. Even yesterday night in his dream, he was telling that he wants to get married to Meenakshi.
Did you hear that? That's why I took this decision.
You bugger. He's one person who's going to finish all your debts and God has sent him. Why do you waste it? Okay, as you said. Okay, give me your hand.
Give me your hand.
So, we are fixing this marriage now.
We'll have this wedding on the 20th of this month.
That army guy has been cheating us.
Yeah.
He said he'll help us kidnap and now he's giving his own daughter to him. Bloody cheater.
Nonsense.
Good for
Bloody
nothing.
fool.
We are not come to play here. Come to the point. We should not let this marriage happen.
What foolishness are you telling, boss? We haven't ate good food for a long time.
Have you come here to have a feast or to
We
kidnap
really
him?
came to kidnap or what, boss?
What are you saying? Are you not sure?
Because always only planning is happening and execution is not done.
For a lot of professional killers, even planning doesn't happen properly. At least that is happening here.
Oh.
Why are you not able to understand
Sorry,
that?
boss.
Okay.
One more.
What a change in you, sir. The person who never drank, now he's gulping a whole bottle. I can't take it anymore. Sir, I want to know one thing. Please tell me honestly. So you never liked that girl and now you're gonna marry her? You're handing over office matters to the managers. So have you gone crazy? Or are you acting?
Shut up, you fool. You have a PA. You don't have any rights to talk about my family. I know how to tackle this. You understand, you stupid fool idiot? Okay?
Sorry, sir.
Why did you fire a bullet?
I didn't do it.
Then who? Come, let's escape. Escape.
Move. Move. Get in. Jeevan Raj, you can be killed in any moment. Most of the people around you are waiting to celebrate your death.
My dear brother, please save me. I am not real Jeevan. Actually, my name
Shivan Kuti. The famous Bhargavan Pillai's son. Shivan Kuti. The person who has many debts to always live happily with his family. What did you think? Acting like Jeevan Raj, you can clear all your debts in your family or what, huh?
I don't have any such idea. Tell me, sir, who are you?
Anthony Rosario, IPS. My best friend is Jeevan Raj.
Sir, I have not done anything intentionally. I have been locked here. I don't know anything. Since I found it very difficult to solve my problems, I just tried some way. But I'll go back, sir.
But no, it's not possible, Shivan Kuti. Because the original Jeevan Raj is at your home as Shivan Kuti. When you're getting married here the same day, the Jeevan Raj is getting married. And the bride is your girlfriend Meenakshi.
Sir, that marriage should not happen, sir. I want my Meenakshi, sir, please.
Don't worry. You will be the person who will marry Meenakshi. I will give guarantee for that. Though you both look similar, you stay very unique because of your intelligence and your strength to withstand any bad situations. And that is what I want. Until I find who is trying to kill Jeevan, you should be with me as a Jeevan Raj. What's your opinion, Shivan Kuti?
If you can give me an assurance that I will get Meenakshi, I'm ready for anything, sir.
Thank you, Shivan Kuti.
Sir, in that accident, did Mr. Jeevan get hurt?
Nothing serious. I went to meet Jeevan. He told his business enemy is Mr. Rangasamy, so I have a doubt in him.
Sir, I've also seen this Rangasamy, sir. Maybe he is trying to harm Jeevan, sir?
But we don't have any clear evidence for that. But I am continuously following him. You be strong. Everything will be alright.
Look, Meenakshi, I have to talk to you about a matter which is very serious. As you thought, Meenakshi, actually I am not
You are from a poor family. Currently you have lot of loan. If you have to marry me, you can't able to take care of me. That is only right.
It's not that. Actually, I am...
Listen here. If I suffer also, I have to be with you only always. If I say that I like you very much before, you won't pay your loan, then you'll come back with me only. That I know very much.
Excuse me, I want to... Oh shit. I want to tell the truth to her, but she's not ready to listen. Anyway, let everything happen as per destiny.
Jeeva! What happened to you?
Oh my god, is he okay?
Brother? Brother?
Doctor?
It's a case of serious poisoning. Sorry, we are helpless.
The aroma is really good. What are you rowing over there? Water sport,
No,
huh?
I'm preparing payasam.
The food should be really tasty. I am eating too. Oh, stop it, you two. You good for nothing fellows.
Hey,
Hey. Step aside. I will taste the porridge first.
Hello? What are you trying to do? Go there and take videos. I'm giving you money, no?
Shivankutti, the time is up. Come.
By the way, is the cash ready?
Kesavan will stick to his word. As soon as he gets married, I'll give you the money, okay?
Oh.
Son-in-law, don't get scared.
Swami, it's a marriage and not any death function, okay?
Where is he going?
Maybe he's going to the toilet. He must be really tense.
Keep a close watch on him. Go.
Why should I follow him to the toilet?
Go.
Huh?
Hey, the auspicious time might pass. Go call our daughter.
Oh, so nice.
Son-in-law, come.
Sit down. It is done. Where is my money?
I already told you. Come home, I'll give you the money.
Sir, how long we are waiting here? What's your actual plan?
Ask all that to Anthony sir when he comes.
Achha, such a nuisance.
Sir, we don't even know who Jeevan is. Why did you call us to the station?
Sir, if you have at least a small amount of humanity, kindly send us now. No. Until I get a correct reply for my questions, you can go from here.
This is too much, sir. You can ask us questions later. Please understand, we are not in the right frame of mind.
Mr. Mahendran, as you all think, it wasn't a suicide. It was murder.
Huh?
It was a well-planned murder.
Sir, what are you saying? It's a murder? Why would someone kill him?
We have that answer here itself, Mr. Narendran. More than a relationship, who gives importance to money and properties? And greedy like you. He is the killer. What nonsense are you telling, sir? Why should I kill my brother? For her. To make her as yours. To separate the Jeevan from your girlfriend. That is your Ranjini. And also when you realize that Ranjini loves Jeevan. Yes, that was your first blow. And that provoked you.
So this is your problem. What do you want now? You want to marry that girl, and that is not very easy. Now your main problem is Jeevan Raj. Hope you know about him. He is a billionaire, and you are a good for nothing. Don't worry, brother. There is always a way. You come with me. Just listen to what I say. You will be able to marry that girl.
What should I do?
If you want to get married to her, Jeevan Raj must die. If my business has to expand, Jeevan Raj's father, Rajashekaran Thambi, has to die. And Jeevan's group should never be existing at all. If this happens, me and you can become partners. Rangaswamy Associates' 40% shares will be given to you by me.
But how can it be possible?
It's very simple. One small accident. and both of them will go. That's all. If you're okay, then let me know. The rest will be taken care by him.
Agreed. And without any small evidence, you killed Mr. Rajashekaran Thambi. But from that accident, Mr. Jeevan Raj escaped with the help of some God's grace. While you were waiting for the chance to kill Mr. Jeevan Raj, that was a time when Ranjini's and Jeevan Raj's marriage was fixed by Mr. Mahendran. When Jeevan came to know your love towards Ranjini, and that day he tried to run away from the home, and it's one only for you, but still you followed him. There also you had a clear-cut plans with you. No, I didn't kill anyone. I don't know anything. This complete story is wantedly created by you. It is a false case. Shut up, you rascal. Dominic.
Sir.
Rangaswamy, the real hand behind this puppet show. You would have never expected this wonderful climax, right? Sharif Khan, Rangaswamy's henchman. You do any sort of things for Rangaswamy, huh? Now you can't escape, Vijay. They have already surrendered by telling the truth. For your brother's marriage function, among the invited people, he was also there. According to your plan, he added poison to the drinks and to pretend as if it was a suicide. The poison bottle was kept by him near Jeevan. If Jeevan Raj dies, the information will be passed to the people who are waiting to celebrate it, and my judgment didn't go wrong. Even Nakul's number was also been tracing, and we were strong in that. As soon as you got the news that Jeevan Raj died, within 2 minutes, the happiest news have been sent by you to Rangaswamy. Hello, Swami. Vijay speaking. Kindly make ready all the partnership agreements. Even I have sent Jeevan Raj to hell. From yesterday, Rangarajan was under my custody. Now what do you have to say, Vijay? Yes, I only killed Jeevan. I killed him because he was trying to grab all my happiness and wealth. I hated him because I was betrayed. And so I killed him. And that was a situation where you went wrong. After that accident, the Jeevan Raj you saw was some other guy. The person who looks like Jeevan Raj, Shivan Kuti. The thing which helped me to clear the case was from you because of a small mistake. When he was trying to kill Shivan Kuti at the bar, the another chance given to him was a mistake. During the marriage function, very accidentally, he passed in front of Shivan Kuti. Before the function got completed, we just took him to the custody. I mean, before giving poison to Shivan Kuti.
Sir, then what happened to Shivan Kuti?
Come.
Shivan Kuti, get up.
Sir, what happened, sir?
Everything is okay till now. And you don't want a Meenakshi, huh?
Yes, of course.
If it's so, then you can leave early.
Okay,
Wedding
sir.
dress is in the car. Come on, quick. Doctor, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Come on, fast.
Son-in-law, don't get scared. Where's he going?
Maybe he's going to the toilet. He must be really tense.
Keep a close watch on him. Go behind him.
Why should I follow him to the toilet?
Huh? He's exactly like me. No change
Come on,
at all.
quick.
We'll meet later. Okay, see you. All the best. I hope the muhurtam is not over.
Hey, here you are! When we have a toilet inside, why do you have to go outside? Come on, it's late. Let's get you married first.
Oh, sit down.
If we were unable to do all these dramas, we would have not got the strong evidence. And not only that, before marriage, keeping Jeevan in mind, he would have killed Shivan Kuti. When I strongly told that Shivan Kuti was killed by giving poison, he told every truth. And for that only we played all these dramas. And the accident of Mr. Rajashekaran turned into murder. That was his bad luck.
Is Jeevan okay?
He is very much alive. And he's here. Jeevan!
I have always treated you just like my brother. But you?
Mr. Nazar,
Sir.
take them all.
Thank you, sir. You have taken a lot of trouble for me.
Hey, it's my duty. You're actually not supposed to thank me, but Shivankuti.
Shivankuti, I will never forget this help. I'm really thankful to you. The help what you have done to me, I should do something back to you. Tell me, buddy. What should I do for you? Hey, I don't want anything. Actually, I should be thankful to you. You are the main reason for Meenakshi to come back into my life. And all these debts in my life, I enjoy that in my life. Because it's my world. If such things doesn't happen, I'm not the original Shivankuti. Okay, sir. It's already late for me. Once I reach there, I have to refund the amount borrowed from Dasappan. And one more thing. Oh, it's not coming. Yeah, keep this. This is for you. You tell her that her English is too good. But I didn't understand anything. Come, sweetheart, let's go.
Today is his first night.
It should never happen. Before losing his virginity, we should kidnap him.
Okay.